Have you heard about intermittent fasting? It's not just a weight loss trend anymore. It's also great for boosting your body's natural hormones, like GLP-1 and GLP-2. These important gut peptides help manage appetite, control blood sugar, and repair the digestive tract. GLP-1 helps your body release insulin, slows down how quickly your stomach empties, and curbs hunger, making it a great asset for managing diabetes and metabolic health. Meanwhile, GLP-2 is busy promoting intestinal healing, strengthening the gut barrier, and enhancing nutrient absorption. One of the best fasting routines for increasing GLP-1 and GLP-2 levels is the 16-to-8 intermittent fasting method. This involves eating within just an 8-hour period each day. During fasting, your gut gets a chance to rest and reset. When it's time to eat again, focusing on nutrient-rich meals packed with fiber and healthy fats can really boost your hormone production. Healthy fats and soluble fiber, in particular, do wonders for releasing GLP-1. Taking a natural approach like this can support your metabolic health and may lessen the need for medications, such as GLP-1 agonists, like Ozempic. If you're on the lookout for a drug-free way to achieve better hormone balance, control your appetite, and enhance gut health, fasting presents an easy, research-backed option.